In this guide, you will learn how to fix WhatsApp could not delete your username, try again problem. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Then try to delete your username. Next, check for app updates. So head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app WhatsApp. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch the app. Navigate to You page, go to the option account, head over to the option username, click on edit, click on delete username. With this, your problem might be resolved. If not, you can completely delete WhatsApp from your device. For that, press and hold on the WhatsApp, select the option remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Then head over to App Store or Play Store, search for the app WhatsApp and then install it. Then you can try to remove the username again. In most cases, these steps will resolve. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.